Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add video effects to your text on CapCut. So I'm just going to go to text and I'm just going to add in a text. Just going to scale it, and I'm also going to change the font first. Let's see what font I want to use. I'm just going to use this font actually, and I might change the color of it too. Okay, now you're just going to export this, and once you're done, you're going to import it. Like so. You're going to delete your text and you're going to add that video in. If you want your text to be longer, make sure you've done that before you've exported it, so the duration can be longer. Then you're just going to go to effects and you're going to select any video effects you want. If you don't export it first, you can't add in like these effects to your text, so make sure you do that first. For instance, I'm going to choose like this one, Shining Edge. You can only do it after you've exported it into like a video. You can change the color here, but I'm going to choose that color because it suits the text the best. You can also adjust the filter, but it doesn't really show up on the text. You can also adjust the strength here. And that is basically how you can add in video effects to your text on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. It would mean a lot to this channel. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!